morning students, welcome to the online classes. From today onwards, we are conducting online classes for the primary level. So, first to 5th class వరకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము మన స్కూల్ నుండి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ టు యూ. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టీచ్ యూ EVS and my name is Rajni. Okay, I am going to teach you EVS. Okay, EVS means environmental studies. Environmental studies. Okay, environmental studies, what it means? Actually, environment means surroundings. Okay, our surroundings are called as environment. Okay, what is the meaning of environment? Surroundings. Environment means surroundings. Okay na? Our surroundings. It said about our surroundings. So మన సరౌండింగ్స్ లో ఎవరైతే ఉంటున్నారో కంప్లీట్లీ హౌసెస్, ప్లేసెస్, ఆఫీసెస్, సో దీస్ ఆర్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. ఓకే, ఈవెన్ ట్రీస్, some of the places which are around us, so these are includes in environment. So first of all, environment means surroundings. Okay, what are the places which are around our home? So these are called as environment. Okay, so before going to the class, first of all I will explain you I love myself. Okay, I love myself. So in your surrounding, first of all, in your surroundings you see many people living. They do so many professions or occupations like police, doctors, nurse. So these are the examples. So these kind of people, they live in your surroundings. Okay na? And you can see some of the offices like post office, bus station, like a railway station. So these are also included in environment. Okay, so now I love myself. Let's see. I am special, no one is like me. I am special. This girl telling about herself. Okay, I love myself and I am special, no one is like me. First of all, tell me, do you love yourself? Do you love yourself? Okay, I love myself. Do you love yourself? So I am loving myself, and at the same way everybody loves themselves. So she in this lesson she telling I am special, no one is like me. So she is telling what? I am very special. So I am special and no one is like me. So nobody is not, if we compare her, no one is like her. Okay, so ever kuda amelaga leru ani. So I am special, so no one is like me. Nalaga asalu ever kuda leru. Okay, first of all, then that paste your picture here. So collect your photograph, passport size photograph, and stick here. Okay na? Stick here your photograph. Look here, all of you. Stick here your personal photograph. Okay, now about me. She telling about herself in this page. Let's see. My name is, so here write your name. If your name is Bhargavi or Bhavani, Raghavi, whatever it is, first of all write your name. My name is. Okay, here write your name. Okay, whatever it is, Raghu, Ram, Ranjit, whatever it is, write your name here. Okay, then that my birthday is on. Okay, write your birthday. Birthday, how it look like this. For example, 34, 2008, or 1, 2, 2009. So, like this. You can write like this. First of all, you have to write your name. Then that you have to write your date of birth. This is your date of birth. This is date, month and year. Okay, you write like this. Okay, then that I write with my dash hand. Okay, I write with my dash hand. If you use right hand, then you can write right. Okay, if you use your left hand for writing anyone, so you can write left hand. Okay, na? So you have to fill the blank with right or left. Okay, na? If you use right hand, then you can write right. Otherwise, right, left. Okay. Then fourth one, I have dash hair. Do you know about hair? Do you have hair? Okay. Okay. I have dash hair. If you have long hair, then you can write long. If you have short hair, then you can write short. Okay, na? You have to write short or long. Write yourself. Okay. If you have any type of hair, then you can write that. If the hair is short, then you can write short. If the hair is long, then you can write long. Okay, long, short. Do you know about long and short? This is called as long and short. Small and long one. Okay. Then that I have a dash eyes. Look here, all of you. I have dash eyes. So, if you have black eyes, you can write black. If you have brown eyes, then you can write brown and green or blue. Some of the people, they are having blue color eyes, so they can write blue color. So, some of the people, they are having brown color eyes, so they can write brown. Okay. If you are having black color eyes, then you can write black or brown or blue or green. Anyone. Choice is yourself. You see your eyes, then write the answer. Okay. And complete the blank. Okay, na? Then finally, my thumbprint. So you have to print your thumb. So this is called as a thumbnail. So you have to keep like this. Okay, in this box. So keep your fingerprint, thumb fingerprint in this box. Okay, like this. Then that next page, see, write your address here. So you have to write your address. What are the address you have to write? You have to write house number, street name or colony name, and you have to write village name. Then you have to write your district name and state. So this is the address of yourself. So if you want to write a letter or anything else, that means if you want to send a letter to your friend, you have to write the address of yourself. So that you have to write your name. First of all, you have to write your name, house number, then street name or colony name, next village name, next district name and state name. See, I will show you. So, first of all, you have to write your name. For example, I am writing myself, okay? Okay? First of all, you have to write like this, your name, then house number, then daughter of, you have to write daughter of or care of, you have to write the address like that. So, daughter of some name. Then that you have to write house number. Then that you have to write your colony or street. Street or colony name. Okay. So I am living in BC colony, so that I am writing BC colony. Okay. First of all, my name, and then my father name, and then my house number, then that my street or colony name. So BC colony. Okay. Then that I'll write my village name. I will write my village name. So my village name is Kammarpalli, so that I am writing Kammarpalli. Okay. Then that you have to write district name. So what is your district name? Do you know your district name? So our district name is Nizamabad. So that I am writing Nizamabad. Okay. Okay, students, listen one thing. If your village is changed, then you can write your village. If your village is Uplur, Damanapet, or Kottur, or Bashrabad, then you can write your village name. So this is not compulsory. Write your village name. Okay. Then that state. Finally. Okay. What is our state name? Do you know? Yes. I'll tell you. Telangana. It is our state. Okay. Telangana. It is our state. And one more thing. We have to write PIN. PIN number. Postal index number. Okay. This is our postal index number 503308. So this is a complete address of myself. Okay na? So that you also write same like this in the book. Write your address here. Look at the figure. Okay na? So he is writing his address in this picture. So you have to write your address. Okay na? So you write your father name, your house number, your colony name, and the village name, district name, state name, and PIN number. So if you don't know the PIN number, then you can ask your mother or father, anyone, any elders. Okay na? So this is a complete address of myself. So like this you also write your complete address in this book. Okay. Then what are my interests or what are my likes? Let's see. I love this. What he or she loves. Let's see. A food item. What you like. You write yourself. So because this is your book, no? So that you have to write your favorite food item. Okay na? First of all, a food item. If you like chocolates or anything else, any food items like tiffins, sweets, gulab jam. So whatever food item is favorite for you, you can write here. A food item which you like it, then you can write here. Okay. Okay. I will write my favorite food. Okay na? Let's see. So my favorite food item is gulab jam. Okay, this is a sweet dish. Okay, I like this, so that I am writing this. If you like other sweets or any other food items, then you can write the names here. Okay, then a toy. If I like a teddy bear, if I like any toy like Spider-Man, Batman, like that, then we can write here. Okay, Spider-Man, Spider-Man toy. teddy bear, Batman. So we can write anyone as you wish, because it is your wish. That means you have to write your favorite toy. So write yourself, okay, in this blank. Then last one, a book. Which is your favorite book? What book do you love? You can write in this blank. You can write the subject. If you like Telugu, Hindi, English, EVS. So anyone you can write. So here book, it is nothing but subject. So you are in second class, no? So you don't know about special kind of books, so that you can write the subject. This is enough, okay? Then more about me, okay? More about me. So these are the favorite items, and this is about myself. So the appearance. So my name, and my hair color, my eyes color, and my birthday. That means the date of birth. I write with. So this is completely about myself, and this is more about me. Okay? Brief information about myself. Okay, let's see. First one, dash makes me happy. What makes me happy? Tell me. Now tell me, what makes you happy? ఏది చేస్తే మీకు హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి. So what makes me happy అంటే that means in these situations you have to imagine yourself. ఓకే, మిమ్మల్ని మీరే ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, డాష్ మేక్స్ మీ హ్యాపీ. సో వాట్ మేక్స్ మీ హ్యాపీ అనుకోవాలి. ఓకే, వాట్ మేక్స్ మీ హ్యాపీ. సో in this blank we can write if you like chocolates, if you like biscuits, లేదంటే whenever your parents are appreciate you, at that moment maybe you feel happy. Or if you get anything, if you get a good rank in the classroom, then maybe you feel happy. So that we can write here. Okay, ఏదైతే మీకు హ్యాపీనెస్ ఇస్తుందో, పేరెంట్స్ అప్రిషియేషన్, ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్, లేదంటే ఎందులోనో ఫస్ట్ గా ఉండడమా, లేదంటే ఇంకేమైనా ఫేవరెట్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్సా, వాటి వల్ల నువ్వు హ్యాపీగా ఉంటావా అనేది రైట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ వాట్ మేక్స్ యూ హ్యాపీ. మిమ్మల్ని ఏది హ్యాపీనెస్ తీసుకొస్తుందో, లేదంటే ఏది హ్యాపీగా ఉంచుతుంది అనేది రైట్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, సో ఐ రోడ్ హియర్ చాక్లెట్స్, బిస్కెట్స్, వెన్ అవర్ పేరెంట్స్ అప్రిషియేట్ మీ. సో యూ కెన్ రైట్ యాజ్ యూ విష్, ఏదైనా రైట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే దిస్ ఇస్ కంప్లీట్లీ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. కంప్లీట్లీ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. Look here, myself, Anna. So that you have to write yourself. If you like something, you can write there. If you dislike something, then you can write there. Okay. Then second one, dash makes me sad. When you feel sad, tell me when you feel sad. Tell me what situations make you sad. Whenever you face some situations, then you feel sad. Sometimes you cry. So what are the situations are what makes you sad? So you can write here. Some students if they get second or third rank or last rank, then they feel sad. Yes, of course. And the same way, when some parents scolds us, that means here students, okay, when you can write like when my parents scolds us, when our parents not appreciating us, then at that moment then you can write in the blank. Okay, this situation can be write in the blank. So ikkada look here all of you, I wrote when my parents that means when my mother or father scolds me, it makes me sad. ఎప్పుడైతే మన పేరెంట్స్ తిట్టారో, లేదంటే ఎప్పుడన్నా ఇది చేయలే అది చేయలేవా అని కోపడ్డారో, when they are angry, then at that situations makes me sad, unhappy. Okay, so I wrote here when my mother or father scolds me, నన్ను తిట్టినప్పుడు నేను సాడ్ గా ఫీల్ అవుతాను అని. రాశాను. ఓకే, దెన్ ఐ ఆమ్ గుడ్ ఎట్. ఐ ఆమ్ గుడ్ ఎట్. మీరు ఎందులో గుడ్? Then in this situation you can write singing, dancing, playing, reading, writing, whatever you like you can write it. Okay, if you are good in singing then you can write singing. మీరు సింగింగ్ లో పాటలు పాడడంలో బెటర్ గా ఉంటే గుడ్ గా ఉంటే గనక సింగింగ్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. లేదు అంటే డాన్సింగ్ లో అయితే డాన్సింగ్ లో, దెన్ ప్లేయింగ్ లో అయితే ప్లేయింగ్ లో, నెక్స్ట్ రీడింగ్ ఆర్ రైటింగ్, ఇంకా ఎనీ అదర్ క్రాఫ్ట్స్, drawing any pictures like that you can write it. Okay, so I am good at singing, dancing, playing, reading or writing. Anyone you can write, anyone. Okay, choice is yourself. Okay, then our introduction, what I love myself is completed. Now the first lesson is so our first lesson is our wonderful body. Our wonderful body. So what is our wonderful body? It tells about the facts of the body. What are the organs we have in our body, how they works and how special they are, we'll see in the next class. Okay, and today's homework is in the page number 114. Okay, 114. Here is an activity. Get started. No, write two things that are, you imagine yourself. Okay, see, green, nice to smell, cold to touch, sweet to taste. So write these two examples. So green ki two examples. What do you see in your surroundings? Then what are the green color things you see in your surroundings? Then you write here. Then nice to smell. Smelling nice. So good smell వచ్చే things two write చేయమంటున్నారు. Then cold to touch. When you touch anything or something, it will be cold. So you have to write two things which are cold. Okay. Then last one, sweet to taste. Sweet taste వచ్చేవి two things write చేయమన్నాను. ఓకేనా? This is the homework today, and if it is possible, read the lesson. If any hard words you get in this paragraph, then send me. Okay, I will explain you. Okay.